Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest breakthroughs in space exploration and astrophysics. In today's video, we're talking about an exciting and unexpected event recently observed by none other than the James Webb Space Telescope. Betelgeuse, one of the most recognizable stars in our night sky, has suddenly increased in brightness by a staggering 250%. And to help break down the significance of this, we'll bring insights from two renowned figures, Elon Musk and Professor Brian Cox. Stick around because this discovery might just change how we view our universe. Before diving into the recent findings, let's talk about what makes Betelgeuse so fascinating. Located in the Orion constellation, Betelgeuse is a red supergiant nearing the end of its life. It's one of the largest and brightest stars visible to the naked eye, and it's expected to go supernova at some point in the next 100,000 years. While that might sound like a long time to us, in cosmic terms, it's a blink of an eye. Astronomers have been closely watching Betelgeuse for decades, and any sudden change in its behavior could offer clues about its future and the fate of other stars like it. Now, let's talk about how the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, comes into play. Launched in 2021, the JWST is the most advanced space observatory ever built. It's capable of observing the universe in unprecedented detail, allowing us to see stars, galaxies, and phenomena like never before. The sudden increase in Betelgeuse's brightness was first detected by the JWST, which provided data that surprised scientists across the globe. This 250% surge has raised eyebrows, as it's not something typically expected from a star in its current phase of life. When it comes to space, few names are as prominent as Elon Musk. Known for his ventures like SpaceX and his dream of making humanity a multiplanetary species, Musk has always had a keen interest in space phenomena. Upon hearing the news of Betelgeuse's sudden brightness increase, Musk took to social media to express his excitement. He even speculated that the phenomenon could be linked to unknown cosmic forces or even black holes in the vicinity, although scientists remain skeptical of such theories. Musk's passion for space exploration helps bring public attention to such monumental events, sparking curiosity and interest in the broader public. Now, let's turn to Professor Brian Cox, who provides a more scientific perspective on what could be happening with Betelgeuse. According to Cox, the sudden brightness could be a precursor to the star's eventual explosion into a supernova. However, he cautions that this increase might also be part of Betelgeuse's natural life cycle. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse can experience large fluctuations in their brightness due to internal changes like convection currents or material being ejected from their surface. In Cox's view, while the brightness increase is exciting, we still have much to learn before drawing any concrete conclusions about Betelgeuse's fate. So, what does this all mean for Betelgeuse and us? If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, it would be one of the most spectacular events witnessed from Earth in human history. The explosion would be so bright that it might even be visible during the daytime for weeks. While that sounds thrilling, scientists believe that Betelgeuse is too far away to pose any real threat to Earth. For now, astronomers will continue to monitor the star closely, using telescopes like the JWST, looking for any further signs of change. Whether we're on the verge of witnessing a cosmic event or just observing natural stellar behavior, this is one story you won't want to miss. While Betelgeuse's brightness increase is exciting, scientists like Brian Cox caution that this doesn't necessarily mean a supernova is imminent. Historically, Betelgeuse has been unpredictable. It goes through periodic dimming and brightening phases, a result of its complex internal dynamics. Still, a 250% increase in brightness is unprecedented. Some astronomers speculate this could be an early warning, but no one can pinpoint when or if the star will explode. If it did, the resulting supernova would shine as brightly as a full moon from Earth. One of the biggest questions people ask is, what happens to Earth if Betelgeuse goes supernova? Luckily for us, Betelgeuse is located about 642 light-years away, which is far enough to protect our planet from harmful radiation. The explosion would not have any direct impact on Earth's climate or ecosystems. However, the light from the supernova would be spectacular, so bright, in fact, that it could be visible during the day for several weeks. This would provide astronomers a rare chance to observe a supernova up close. Betelgeuse has been significant, not just in astronomy, but in various cultures throughout history. In ancient Egypt, the star was linked to Osiris, the god of the afterlife. Native American tribes also incorporated Betelgeuse into their lore, often associating it with creation stories. In modern times, the star has featured in movies, literature, and even inspired the name of a famous 1988 film, Betelgeuse. This cultural legacy adds to the fascination surrounding Betelgeuse's current changes. Supernovae are more than just cosmic fireworks, they are crucial to the universe's evolution. When a star like Betelgeuse goes supernova, it scatters heavy elements like carbon, iron, and oxygen into space. These elements eventually become part of new stars, planets, and even life forms. In fact, the atoms in our bodies were likely forged in the heart of a supernova, billions of years ago. Betelgeuse's potential supernova would be the latest in a long line of stellar explosions that have shaped our galaxy. Elon Musk's SpaceX has revolutionized space travel, making it more affordable and accessible. While SpaceX primarily focuses on launching satellites and exploring Mars, Musk has also shown interest in using his company's technology to study cosmic phenomena like supernovae. For example, future missions could involve deploying specialized satellites to observe stars like Betelgeuse from new perspectives. Musk's involvement in space exploration keeps the public's attention on exciting developments like this brightness surge. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has already lived up to its promise, providing incredible insights into the universe. Its ability to detect infrared light allows it to peer through dust clouds and see deeper into space than any previous telescope. The detection of Betelgeuse's 250% brightness increase is just one example of how JWST is transforming our understanding of stellar life cycles. Scientists are eagerly awaiting further data from JWST to see if more changes occur in Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse isn't the only red supergiant in our galaxy. Stars like Antares and Canis Majoris are also nearing the end of their life cycles. However, Betelgeuse's proximity to Earth and its recent behavior make it particularly intriguing. These other stars may provide comparative data, helping scientists understand whether Betelgeuse's brightness increase is a common occurrence among aging supergiants or something unique. As we look toward the future, the combination of powerful new telescopes like JWST ground-based observatories and even private companies like SpaceX promises to revolutionize astronomy. Technologies like AI and machine learning are also being integrated into space exploration, allowing for faster analysis of massive amounts of data. In the case of Betelgeuse, these advancements might help us predict stellar events with greater accuracy, possibly even predicting the exact moment of a supernova. Events like Betelgeuse's sudden brightness surge capture the public's imagination. Social media platforms were flooded with posts speculating on what could happen next, from cataclysmic supernovae to alien interference. While some of these ideas are far-fetched, they highlight how space exploration continues to fascinate people worldwide. Figures like Elon Musk and Brian Cox help bridge the gap between scientific discovery and popular culture, making complex topics accessible to everyone. One key question scientists are trying to answer is how long this brightness surge will last. Betelgeuse's cycles of dimming and brightening are still poorly understood, and no one is sure if this 250% increase is a short-term event or part of a longer trend. If the brightness stabilizes, it could mean we're seeing Betelgeuse enter a new phase in its life cycle. If it dims again, astronomers will need to reevaluate their theories on the star's internal processes. Imagine if Betelgeuse goes supernova while we're not looking. The idea may sound unlikely, but it's not impossible. Space is vast, and astronomers can't observe everything all the time. That's why instruments like JWST are so important. They allow for continuous monitoring of significant stars. Still, there's always a chance that we might miss the early signs of a supernova, which would be unfortunate given how much we could learn from such an event. Did you know that everyday people can help monitor stars like Betelgeuse? Citizen science projects allow individuals to assist in astronomical research. By using home telescopes or analyzing public data, you can contribute to our understanding of stellar phenomena. With so much happening in space, the combined efforts of professional scientists and amateur astronomers could provide more comprehensive coverage of events like Betelgeuse's brightness surge. Given the star's history of unpredictability, it's entirely possible that Betelgeuse's brightness will fluctuate again. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse are unstable, and changes in brightness are often tied to complex internal processes. If the star dims again, it could suggest that this brightness surge was a temporary phase. Scientists will need to continue monitoring it closely to gather enough data to understand these fluctuations fully. Astronomical discoveries aren't confined to a single country. Scientists from all over the world are collaborating to study Betelgeuse. Observatories in Europe, the United States, and Asia are pooling their resources and sharing data to monitor the star. This international collaboration accelerates discoveries and ensures that multiple perspectives contribute to our understanding of Betelgeuse and other cosmic phenomena. Betelgeuse's brightness surge might just be the beginning of a larger trend in space exploration. As telescopes become more powerful and technology improves, we could soon witness even more dramatic cosmic events. Whether it's a supernova, a black hole merger, or the discovery of exoplanets, the future of astronomy is incredibly bright, no pun intended. So keep your eyes on the stars because you never know what might happen next. While we often think of stars like Betelgeuse as nearing the end of their life cycle, their death is directly linked to the birth of new stars. When Betelgeuse eventually goes supernova, it will release massive amounts of gas and dust into space. These materials will eventually become the building blocks for new stars and planets. This process, where the death of one star leads to the birth of others, shows the interconnected nature of the cosmos, with each generation of stars contributing to the formation of the next. Astronomers are thrilled about Betelgeuse's sudden brightness increase because it provides a rare opportunity to study a massive star in its late stages of evolution. Typically, we only observe stars going supernova after the fact, but with Betelgeuse, we could witness it unfold in real time. By analyzing the data from its brightness surge, scientists may better understand the internal dynamics of red supergiants, allowing them to refine models on how stars live and die. One of the greatest challenges in astrophysics is predicting the behavior of stars like Betelgeuse. Despite all our advanced technology and knowledge, stars still surprise us. Betelgeuse's 250% brightness increase caught scientists off guard, even though they have been monitoring it for years. This unpredictability is what makes studying stars so fascinating. Every discovery brings new questions and reminds us how much we still have to learn about the universe. In recent years, gravitational wave astronomy has revolutionized how we observe cosmic events. Gravitational waves are ripples in spacetime caused by violent processes, such as the collision of black holes or the explosion of supernovae. If Betelgeuse were to go supernova, scientists would likely detect gravitational waves from the event. These waves would provide additional data about the star's explosion, giving astronomers another tool to study one of the universe's most dramatic phenomena. Convection currents play a significant role in Betelgeuse's behavior. Inside red supergiants, hot gases rise from the star's core, cool off near the surface, and then sink back down. This creates massive currents that can cause fluctuations in the star's brightness. In the case of Betelgeuse, these convection currents may be responsible for its sudden 250% brightness increase. Understanding these internal processes is key to predicting what might happen next with a star. You might wonder how a supernova like Betelgeuse's potential explosion relates to the search for life elsewhere in the universe. Supernovae distribute essential elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen building blocks for life throughout the galaxy. These elements eventually form new stars, planets, and even organic molecules. Without the cycle of stars dying and new stars forming, the universe might not have the conditions necessary for life to emerge. Betelgeuse's eventual supernova will contribute to this cosmic recycling process. While Betelgeuse is far too unstable to host planets capable of supporting life, studying its life cycle can provide insights that help in the search for exoplanets. Red supergiants like Betelgeuse eject massive amounts of material, which eventually form the dust clouds where new stars and planets emerge. By understanding how these processes work, astronomers can refine their methods of detecting exoplanets in other parts of the galaxy, possibly leading to the discovery of habitable worlds. Elon Musk's dream of space colonization, especially his vision of building cities on Mars, is directly related to cosmic events like supernovae. As humanity becomes more invested in space exploration, understanding the life cycles of stars becomes essential for long-term planning. In the distant future, when humanity may spread across the stars, cosmic phenomena like supernovae could pose both risks and opportunities. Musk's vision highlights the need to stay curious and vigilant about changes in the universe around us. Professor Brian Cox often speaks about the beauty and importance of studying the cosmos. For Cox, observing stars like Betelgeuse is not just about scientific discovery, it's also about understanding our place in the universe. He often points out that humans are made of the same elements as stars, connecting us to these distant objects in a profound way. The sudden brightness increase of Betelgeuse offers a tangible reminder of the ongoing processes that shape the cosmos and, ultimately, life on Earth. If a star like Betelgeuse went supernova close to Earth, it would be a jaw-dropping spectacle. While Betelgeuse is too far away to cause harm, a closer supernova could have significant effects. The radiation from such an explosion could damage satellites, disrupt communications, and even affect Earth's atmosphere. Fortunately, Betelgeuse's distance makes it a safe star to watch, allowing us to observe the potential explosion without any negative side effects on our planet. Tracking the brightness of stars like Betelgeuse requires sophisticated instruments. Ground-based telescopes, like those located at observatories in Chile and Hawaii, as well as space telescopes like Hubble and JWST, continuously gather data. By comparing images and measurements over time, astronomers can detect even subtle changes in a star's brightness. This data is then analyzed to determine whether the star is going through a temporary phase or if something more dramatic is occurring. Although Betelgeuse is a red supergiant and the Sun is a much smaller star, studying Betelgeuse can still offer clues about the future of our solar system. While the Sun won't go supernova, it will eventually become a red giant before shedding its outer layers and shrinking into a white dwarf. Observing Betelgeuse provides astronomers with valuable insights into the late stages of stellar evolution, helping them refine models of how stars like the Sun will age. Betelgeuse is an absolute giant compared to our Sun. If you were to place Betelgeuse in our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. Despite its massive size, Betelgeuse is much younger than the Sun, having only lived for a few million years, compared to the Sun's 4.6 billion years. Betelgeuse's rapid evolution is a reminder that massive stars burn brighter and die younger, while smaller stars like the Sun live much longer. While the chances of Betelgeuse going supernova in our lifetime are slim, it's entirely possible that future generations will witness this cosmic event. If it happens, it will be one of the most spectacular events in astronomical history. The supernova would be visible to the naked eye and could even be studied in great detail with future telescopes. For now, all we can do is wait and keep monitoring this fascinating star. Supernovae like Betelgeuse's potential explosion play a crucial role in shaping galaxies. The material ejected from these massive explosions can trigger the formation of new stars and even create stellar winds that affect the dynamics of nearby celestial bodies. By observing supernovae, scientists can better understand how galaxies evolve over time. Betelgeuse's brightness surge could mark the beginning of a process that will ultimately impact the entire Orion constellation. While Betelgeuse's brightness surge might not directly lead to the discovery of life beyond Earth, events like these provide an opportunity to test our detection capabilities. As telescopes become more advanced, we may one day be able to study the atmospheres of planets orbiting stars going supernova. By analyzing the chemical signatures of these atmospheres, astronomers could potentially detect signs of life. Every new observation adds to our knowledge, bringing us one step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? Betelgeuse has been observed for centuries, with records dating back to ancient astronomers. In the early 20th century, scientists first recognized that Betelgeuse was a variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates over time. This has led to decades of study, with each new observation providing more data on its life cycle. The 250% brightness increase detected by JWST is just the latest chapter in Betelgeuse's long and storied history. Artificial intelligence AI is becoming an increasingly important tool in astronomy. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data much faster than humans, allowing scientists to detect changes in stars, like Betelgeuse in real time. By using AI, astronomers can quickly analyze brightness fluctuations, predict future behavior, and even identify patterns that might be missed by traditional methods. This technology will be critical in understanding Betelgeuse's future evolution. After Betelgeuse goes supernova, what will remain? The answer depends on the star's mass. If Betelgeuse is on the heavier side, its core could collapse into a black hole. If it's slightly lighter, it will form a neutron star, a super-dense object made mostly of neutrons. Either outcome would be fascinating for astronomers to observe, as both black holes and neutron stars are among the most extreme objects in the universe. Betelgeuse's sudden brightness increase has captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. It's not just an isolated event, it's a chance to test theories, refine models, and advance our understanding of how stars live and die. Whether or not Betelgeuse goes supernova soon, this event will be remembered as a critical moment in the study of stellar evolution. It reminds us that the universe is always in motion, full of surprises, and that even the most well-studied stars can still catch us off guard. While the increase in Betelgeuse's brightness doesn't pose any immediate risks to Earth, it could influence future space missions.
Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.